In a forgotten corner of the ancient jungle, two giants move through the world, each following a path shaped by nature itself. The first is the elephant, a colossal being whose every step shakes the earth. His size is unmatched, his presence undeniable.
And not far from him, another force of nature awakens. This is the giant Cobra.
But youth often strays, unaware of the dangers hidden in the earth. In an instant,
Even the deadliest predators know when to step back. The jungle belongs to many, but not every battle must be fought.
She is a giant of strength, and he is a symbol of new life. Together, they move through the forest with quiet grace.
But deep in the grass, another creature wakes. Ancient, silent, dead. Two titans of the wild, sharing the same kingdom, yet following different destinies. Their paths. The jungle holds many secrets, but today it witnessed the march of two.
In the peaceful heart of the jungle, a mother elephant guides her young one through a world older than time.
Peace returns, but the jungle remembers every moment of danger. For high above the forest floor, another family watches the world with curious eyes. This is the giant monkey, a guardian of the treetops. And by its side, a little one, the heart of its life. For a moment, the world above the ground feels untouched by danger. But the jungle is full of secrets, and not all remain hidden. One serpent emerges, larger than any seen before. But he is not alone. Tonight, the shadows move in numbers. Their hunger drives them upward, toward the life above.
Instinct whispers a warning. Something is coming.
In a flash of motion, the hunt begins. A parent's courage awakens, fiercer than any predator. 6 titans of the forest, closing in. Survival demands speed, and the treetops become the only refuge. In this ancient jungle, danger never truly ends. But for those who fight for life, safety, but only for a moment. The jungle's silence rarely lasts. Something powerful approaches. The giant of the land returns, unaware of the new threat rising around him. Because danger grows, far greater than before. A storm of serpents awakens, more ruthless, more hungry. The protector of the plains senses the coming battle. And from the treetops, another guardian watches the danger unfold. Predators closing in, the jungle trembles beneath their hunger. Strength answers speed with unstoppable force. First strike! And from the canopy, an ally descends. 2 giants united against the tide of serpents. The clash becomes a storm, Strength against venom, courage against hunger. Together they rise, and together they push the darkness back. In this ancient world, survival is never guaranteed. But giants stood united,